Did you know your bones are stronger than steel? Or that you lose half a liter of water just by breathing? Or how much gold is in our bodies? Get ready to be amazed by these mind-blowing facts about the human body. Let's get started. Imagine this. You're in a crowded room, and someone lets out a booming sneeze. That sneeze can travel at an astonishing speed of 99 miles per hour. So next time someone sneezes, watch out. It might be a real force to be reckoned with. Our bodies are in constant flux. Every day 50 billion cells die and are replaced by 25 million brand new cells. It's like a never-ending dance of creation and destruction, keeping us alive and kicking. Believe it or not, there's a tiny bit of treasure hidden within each of us. On average, the human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold. That's not enough to make you rich, but it's still a cool fact to know. Your nose might be your least appreciated sense, but it's capable of amazing things. It can remember up to 50,000 different scents. That's why familiar smells can evoke powerful memories and emotions. Babies are born without kneecaps. That's right, those tiny little bumps you see on a baby's legs are cartilage. Kneecaps don't start to ossify or turn into bone until around 2 years old. Your brain is a complex and fascinating organ, but it's also surprisingly soft. In fact, it has a consistency similar to butter. This soft texture is important for protecting the brain from damage. Even though it's only 2% of our body weight, the brain uses a whopping 20% of our oxygen and calories. It's the energy guzzler of the body, constantly working to keep us alive and functioning. Ever wondered how much liquid your bladder can hold? Well, you might be surprised to learn that it can store up to 600 milliliters of urine. That's about the size of a large coffee mug. So next time you have to go, remember that your bladder is doing its job to keep you comfortable. Our bodies are constantly producing heat, even when we're at rest. In fact, in just 30 minutes, we produce enough heat to boil half a gallon of water. That's why it's important to stay hydrated and cool down when exercising or spending time in hot weather. Subscribe for more fascinating science content. Leave a comment below and share your favorite fact about the human body. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends.